After Dad went missing, I moved to Aunt's house. His car came with me.
Aunt said the car takes up space. Or maybe it brings back too many memories. So, she decided to sell it. A couple came to see the car. The man smiled, said it was a good deal. But the wife didn't follow. She froze. A faint voice whispered,
I don't want to sell.
On the way home, the man asked,
What's wrong?
She looked at him, trembling, then whispered.
Someone said they don't want to sell.
That night, the car's engine started by itself. But when Aunt looked outside, it was still parked in the same spot. Fufu sat beside it, eyes reflecting the red light.